In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to create and assign job cards automatically for e-commerce or phone orders. Here is a scenario. You get e-commerce orders from your shopping cart and you need to create job cards for those custom orders. Head to Acumatica sales order screen. Here is a new order that came in from my e-commerce store. The customer is ordering 3 products and we need to now create a custom job card for doing either screen print, embroidery or promotional products. Or you might have a customer call and it could be a phone order, and you would manually create a sales order in Acumatica, assign the order nature, go ahead and assign the job types the customer is requesting to do decorations, and save that sales order. This could also be a repeat customer who's placing exactly the same products. So you can actually create the job cards from an existing template. So there are 3 ways you can load a job card template in Acumatica Printshop 2.0. The first option is to make sure that you enable the job types, and when you do, click on the ... which is the new menu option in 2021 R2. You would notice all of these setup screens are activated. So click on the screen print setup in order to load the template. So that's the manual way of being able to load an existing job card or a template and be able to choose the template name, click OK and let it override. So that's how easy it is to load templates and create your setup job cards. You'll copy all your images, your locations and colors and job information as well. So that's one way to do it. The second way to do populate all the job cards is more of an automated way of doing things. Let's say you have 3 products here, and all these 3 products for this customer are already assigned a template. So if you open up the customer, we have the new tab customer items, which has all the products that this customer might have purchased in the past, and I've assigned a specific template to each of those products. You will have hundreds of templates that you might have saved here. Select it and make sure to save this link or the mapping between the inventory and the template. If you do have this set up already, then there's a new button which is called Create Job Cards for Customer Items. Now enabling this star icon makes this menu item to be available as a button on the header. So if I go ahead and click this, it will automatically create all the job cards for these items in one click. So let's go ahead and do that. So it went ahead and created for all those items that already had a predefined template assigned. Notice for this second item, we did not have any template and hence it did not do the job. For the first and the third one, it automatically created those job cards for us. The third option in order to create a job card is through Add Customer Item. So I'm going to click on this button, Add Customer Item, which brings up all the items that this customer is assigned to. And you can go ahead and add, let's say in this case, I'm going to add the Yeti tumbler. So I'm going to specify the quantity and it auto selects that particular row. And notice we also have the ability to create job cards. So check this box. It will create the job card for this item provided you have already selected promotional as the job type as well. So by doing this at a click of a button, it will add this line item to the sales order details tab and automatically create the job card for you. So clicking on the job card, you can preview the job information, the art image, so with just a click of a button, you are able to create job cards for our existing sales order by using the templates. So there are three ways to do that. The first one is load template. The second one is creating the job cards for all the products that are there on the sales order, which are all customer items. And the third way to do that is using the add customer item. And when you're adding those items, you can also create job cards at a click of a button. How cool is that?